everyone, what's up? You know we love showing you these Baja Grocery Getter kits, and here's another one. This is an ambulance conversion, which is always really cool to see what you guys do to these in the transformation to make them awesome camper vans. So on this one, once again, you're gonna hear this name again. Our Baja Grocery Getter kit is up front. We also have the steering stabilizer. So what's cool about this thing is as we look at the front of it, it's got the Raptor liner on the front. But look at this. This has our Stealth tube bumper on the front, like you barely notice it. It's gonna have that awesome skid plate down here, so giving you that front end protection of all that suspension underneath. So if you're gonna be taking it off-roading, you're gonna get a ton of protection right there. And this looks really cool, how it all blends together. And as you can see in there, he's also put a single, like a 30-inch LED bar in there, which also fits really nice in there. You know, always love just seeing what all of you guys are doing to your vans outside of us putting the suspension on them. So I hope you guys have already smashed that subscribe button and ring that bell, because we want to make sure when we put these videos out that you're getting them, you're getting to see all the cool things that we're doing here. So this is something that we don't do as often, and you can see that on here we're running a set of Raceline wheels. These wheels are killer looking wheels, and this is going to be a 17 by 8.5 wheel wrapped in a Toyo RT tire. Now as you can see, this tire is bigger than normal. We're running a 33-inch tire on here, so a lot of wheel on this Baja Grocery Getter kit, which is really cool. Overall, just a really great tire. I'm digging these Toyo RT tires. So as we kind of move around this thing, the last time this was here, this was still red and white, and I have to say, like, I love this color. This color is nice. I didn't even recognize the van when it came back. I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. It's beautiful, beautiful color. So you can see that on here also, the old ambulance top on there. He's also done the Raptor liner up on the top. But what's really cool is how he's building out the inside. So let's take a look at the inside of this. Awesome. So throwing down some wood flooring. I really dig the wood flooring. We've done that in our van and our Chevy Express van, and I really like it due to the fact that I have kids. My kids make a mess, they spill stuff. It's a disaster all the time, and it's super easy to maintain and clean up. So you can see that he's got a refrigerator going in here and some cabinets. This build is definitely still under construction. As you pop your head in here, you can see that he's starting to put some insulation up in the ceiling. He's got this giant foam back here in order to give him that really nice bed, and then a ton of storage. I mean, look at all that storage underneath. And then of course, like, what van would be complete without a 12-inch subwoofer? There it is. Like, you gotta have your tunes when you're out on the trail. So definitely very cool. Can't wait to show you more on this when he gets it done. So in the back, as we come back to here, you can see that he's also running the bushwhacker fenders right here. These are the bushwhackers. These will keep the bushes off of your van. So these are really nice, and these also have the rhino lining on them. I like them. And underneath this thing, to get the height out of the back, we've done a set of our springs in the rear. This thing sits awesome and it rides really nice. I will tell you though, going to this 35-inch tires on the test drive, it's definitely going to need some trimming. So as I look in the fender, I can definitely see where it's rubbing, and some trimming is definitely going to be necessary in order to get all the clearance I want. Another thing, in order to get the clearance that is necessary, we're also running an 1.5-inch wheel spacer on this to get it out in order to keep it from rubbing the inside of the wheel well. So these are all things that if you're going to go to a 35-inch tire, that you should be aware of and know, so that you know that you're gonna have to do some trimming. You're gonna have to run a wheel spacer on the rear of these in order to get everything to clear, if you're gonna be articulating it, things of that nature, in order to get it to just to be really clean and have that nice look without a lot of interference on the body. So you can see I'm not really sure of the brand of the rock slider he's put on here. This is more of a step. It's just fastened into the body, but you know, obviously is working really well for the, you know, for the purpose of what he's got it for. And just to move around the back, so another thing that we just did on this is we added an aluminous box to it, and then we also added a full-size spare on here, so now that he'll be able to carry more gear out back and have that spare, so if he's out on the trail, something happens to that Toyo tire, he's able to replace it with this. So this is a full swing out. This is going to swing out. So as I come over here, you can see full swing out to the side. It's going to pin shut. And then what is also really nice on these is we've done a fold out table on the back. So once you pin it, you could have a table on the back of this fold down. So ton of ideas, ton of things that you can do to these. It really becomes endless. And you'll see like our rear tube bumper on the back of this also. Super awesome. All right, and to finish this off, we have this awesome aluminous ladder. These things are really nice. And then it leads to nowhere right now. So who knows, maybe in the future, we're gonna be adding a roof rack to this thing. You never know, lots of cool things to come. So, but we wanted to just kind of walk you through this, show you what some of our customers are doing and what we're doing to their vans to equip them with awesome components. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. Let us know what you guys would like to see more of. And also you can visit us on our website at weldtecdesigns.com for all of these products, and we're gonna put a ton of links in the comments below so that you can see the gear that we're using, the equipment that we're using, and the products that we're putting on this. So hey guys, thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys on the next build video. See you guys.